How to use YouTube cards and end screen. So first of all, get into your YouTube studio, and then from here what you're going to do is simply tap on content. So after tapping on content, if you have a very engaging channel, you will get a option called editor, and under the editor there you will see the option of end screen. You can simply tap on that one, and then from there you can choose an element template. You can add up to 4 elements in from those choices. So the first one being a video, second one being a playlist, and third one being subscribe, and the last one being link. So if after adding all of these 4 elements, what you can do is drag the element boxes on the timeline grid to adjust exactly where they fit in during the final 20 seconds. After doing that, all you need to do is tap on save, and that is how you can use YouTube cards and end screens. And that's it.